Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one is the quickest one. It requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and I'll show you both options. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the phone dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the IMEI number only, so we cannot check the serial number. Let's tap on OK, and that's why I will show you the second way to check those numbers, because using the settings we will be able to also check the serial number, and if for some reason the secret code won't work, then you will still be able to check those numbers. So let's enter the settings, and not enough of talking. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to enter the status. And as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI information. So let's tap on it. Here we've got the IMEI number, which was also shown by using a secret code. And now we have to find the serial number, which is right here. As you can see, you have to simply scroll down a little bit. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.